Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this exciting addition to my car. This is the 9-inch single-din touchscreen car stereo from NHOPEW. Now, my car was made with a typical radio stereo, but I really wanted to be able to use CarPlay and have a reverse camera. With this stereo, I have both. CarPlay definitely is my favorite feature. You just plug your phone into the USB and it automatically loads. The ability to see my GPS makes navigation so much easier, and I can adjust my music without having to look at my phone. Now, of course, I also love the backup camera that comes with it. I'm always scared when backing up that I am not seeing everything. And this backup camera is so helpful and gives a wide, clear view of everything behind me. All the built-in features work really well, such as the radio, and you can just hold the buttons to quick save your favorite stations. Now, this doesn't have a volume knob, but instead has buttons on the side of the screen. So you can train your steering wheel to work with those buttons and be able to adjust your volume. It's definitely an affordable stereo that works really well, especially if your main concern is being able to use CarPlay. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.